All right, back again with Beckett Simonon. But a different thing here, man. I found a thrift store. I found a pair of these Beckett Simonons at the thrift store for $20. So I jumped on them. They are a size 12. I wear a 13. But since these are Chelsea's slip-ons, I figured they would work size down. I sized down. They felt good. I can't wear my thick boot sock I normally wear, my merino wool sock. I can wear a regular cotton sock and it feels fine. But take a look at them. Look at that. Now, you guys know my favorite color is Bordeaux. And this is a Bordeaux pair. So, yeah, man. A couple scratches. There's one there. I get something there that probably came from driving. I get that a lot even when I drive my truck. A couple little shotgun shots there. That's what it looks like. But I know it's not a shotgun shot. I don't know what happened, but we're gonna fix that for $20 and some little heel care. We'll take care of that too. But I wanted to show you, man, just walk you through this. Sometimes you can find stuff thrifting or on Facebook Marketplace. Sometimes I found things. You guys know, man, I've had many pairs of Beckett Simonon, and one of my favorite colors are the Bordeaux. I'm gonna say it like I love to say it, Bordeaux. So we're gonna start this little polish here. We're gonna start out with, I got a Liga anniversary here. Liga Privada. Let's put a little smoke in the air. Drew Estate make dynamite cigars. So I've been out here a while, man. That's why it's smoked down. I just decided to pull these out while I was relaxing. But Liga stick, man, you guys know about this, man. This is a premier stick. You really can't go wrong with Drew Estate. The build quality is second to none. I've had a Liga and I've left it out in my humidor for a day and picked it up, man, and everything tastes the same. It was accident, so not this one, but I've done it before. So they really use good tobacco, man. So shout out to Drew Estate, Liga Privada. Boom. Now let's get into the Beckett Simonons. Let's try this here. So as you can see, this is my favorite color, the Bordeaux. And I'm gonna use some Saphir here. Number 8 is burgundy or Bordeaux. But you can see there's a little burnishment on the toe and it's slight on the heel there. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take some more Saphir right there, blah, blah, blah. I'm gonna start out and just do a light black, see if I can get the burnish decent on it. And I'm gonna use my hands, my fingers. Before I do that, I've already done it, but I'm gonna do it again just for you guys, because I know my viewers will be like, man, you didn't. Yeah, I did. I cleaned it, but I'm gonna hit him like this. Okay. I would put a top on there, but I'm good. Just know when you do this, man, I just hear my dad always say, man, just kiss it. Don't beat it up. Just kiss it with the brush. I'm gonna just do this one shoe. I'm not gonna dress the heel on this video. I'm just gonna kind of show you. Let's see together if we can bring a $20 Beckett Simonon Chelsea Bordeaux back to life. All right, so putting there like so. Move him over here. I'm gonna lay him this way so I don't get confused. So what I'm gonna do is just take a little small bit like that on my finger. That might be even too much. And I'm just gonna dab, 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 Okay, and just working like so. I might even have enough to hit that back. Just the toe there a little bit where it's dark. That's kind of a thick coat there. But let's see what we got. 2-in-1. Since I thinned him out a little bit, let's bring him back here. Let's take some more off of that. Bring him back here. Get him there a little bit. Let's do just a hair tab there off the lid. Now just know, man, this is not a dye. So if you mess up, man, you can strip this off and start him again. It's really not a problem. It's scuff there. We'll get him. Let it dry in there a little bit. You know what? Let's do this while I got you on here. Let's use less this time. Yeah. I might speed this up. Little camera tricks, maybe. So you won't be on here long. This is really honoring my dad, man. You know, I'm gonna say this every time I do this, just to honor my father. You know, he kind of taught me how to take care of shoes. Again, my dad grew up in Jim Crow, so a lot of times for them, they couldn't even try shoes on. It's kind of like today, you know how you order online, you don't get the opportunity to try them on. I know my dad would hate that. But they couldn't try shoes on. They had to put their feet on a mark in the store, because if they let them try it on, then nobody would buy it. The black people. White people wouldn't buy it, so they couldn't try it on. So when they did get a pair of shoes, they really worked hard to, you know, take care of the shoe. So he spent a lot of time, man, polishing them, taking good care of them, and all that. I'm gonna do just one more light coat here. You know, he took pride in really taking care of a shoe, because a lot of times they were hand-me-downs and they were stretched out from other people wearing them. So he, you know, just really tried to take care of it as best he could. And he kind of instilled that into me. So, you know, anything worth having is worth taking care of. Anything worth doing is worth doing excellent. That's what he always said, and I told my own kids that. And I kind of try to live by that. But I know he would not like, you know, how we order online, because he's like, man, they did that to me. I hated it. But the beauty part about my father, my parents, they both grew up in Jim Crow. They never projected hate. They never taught us to hate anybody. And if they ever saw us kind of like hating, then we get in trouble. You know, the only thing they really hated was if we sat around the house and didn't do anything, then that was a problem. And it was a problem for us, buddy. That's what he didn't like. Nah, we had to do something. All right. So he's drying. Now, I am not a shoe shine expert at all. However, I will be attending a trunk show. Saphir is sponsoring, and they're going to give shoe shine classes. I just pretty much go by what my dad taught me. Let's go to the Bordeaux. Now, I'm using my fingers here. I just like using my fingers. God gave them to me, so I'm going to use them. Now, this is what I do. I actually go over the black too. Hitting. Light, always go light. Don't go heavy, go light and build it. See, there's a scuff there. See if we can work that. Go light and then build it. I don't know how long this shoe has, if they ever conditioned it or not. But it feels kind of dry. So we should be cooking with hot fish grease oil here for $20. All right, that's that part. So let's cover him up. We're gonna take him and kiss him. Ha 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 ha. Not bad. Not bad. Look at the toe there. Not bad. Not great, but not bad. All right. We're going to stick on this one real quick. We'll put another coat on him. This is shoe cream. It's not wax. It's shoe cream. Open that up and get them in there good. Make sure we getting polished inside those creases. I'm gonna let that dry, and then I'm gonna buffing, then I'm gonna hit him with the mitt, give him a little polish. Now I'm gonna put a second coat on this one. All right, we're gonna let him dry. We're gonna hit him, bop, bop, bop. All right, had a little technical difficulties here. Anyway, all done shining them. Man, these are the $20 Beckett Simonon shoes I got at the Goodyear. Polished them all up good, man. They felt a little dry, so you saw the video. Put a little burnish on that toe. Use these two products, this Bordeaux and black, to burnish. Hitting with the brush. Use my little mitt here to buff a little shine on him. And there you go, man. $20 Beckett Simonons. Chelsea boots. What you think?